I'm recording this. I'm going to hold this in second gear right now. I'll hold this. Now watch. Unfocus. You can see it right there. Spinning. I'll have to hold the side maybe? See that? That's exactly what I mean. I don't know what's going on here. Listen to it. Okay, that's what I'm dealing with. I don't know what it is, but maybe you can help me out.